Today, I'm going to show you the simplest way to add a hyperlink to text when you're messaging on Telegram. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn plain words into clickable links, so you can make your chats more organized, professional-looking, or just extra handy for sharing resources. Let's dive right in. This method uses Telegram's built-in formatting menu, and it works on every platform, whether you're using Telegram on your phone, your tablet, or your computer. First things first, you'll want to decide what text you want to use for your link. Type out the message just like you normally would. For example, maybe you're sharing a cool article with a friend and you want to say, "Check out this amazing guide." The part you want people to click like this amazing guide will be your anchor text. Once you've got your message in the input box, the next step is to highlight the specific words you want to turn into a link. On desktop, you can do this by clicking and dragging over the text. On mobile, it's usually a tap and hold until you see those familiar selection handles. If you're new to this, don't worry, just make sure the part you want a hyperlink is highlighted. Think of it like marking a phrase with a highlighter pen. You're telling Telegram, "This is the bit I want to change." With your text selected, look out for the formatting options. If you're on desktop, try right-clicking the highlighted words and a small context menu will pop up. On your mobile device, you might need to tap a little menu button like the 3 vertical dots, or sometimes it shows up as BIU, which stands for bold, italic, underline. These formatting shortcuts help you style your text, and they also let you add hyperlinks. Next, in the menu that appears, you should see an option that says Create Link or sometimes just Link. Go ahead and select that. This is where you tell Telegram where you want the words to lead once someone taps or clicks them. A prompt will pop up asking for the URL. This is just the website address you want to link to. You can type it in directly, or if you've already copied it from your browser, just paste it here. For example, you might enter https://www.example.com. You can link to any site, your personal blog, a YouTube video, whatever's relevant. Once you've put in the link, it's time to confirm. Tap OK or select the checkmark if you see one. Telegram will now apply the hyperlink, and you'll notice your anchor text changes color, usually to blue. This shows that it's now clickable. If you want to double-check, try tapping the linked text or previewing your message. It should open up the website you set. And that's it, you've turned ordinary words into a neat, interactive link. This process might take a few moments the first time, but trust me, after a couple of tries, you'll be able to add links in your messages super quickly. This is perfect for sharing articles in a group, sending project docs to colleagues, or just making your chats look a bit more polished. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm always here to help, so if you have any questions or run into problems, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to guide you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials, tips, and tricks for your favorite apps. See you in the next video.